Want to generate videos like Sora for free from your phone? This AI video tool by Microsoft lets you do it today. Before I show you step-by-step how to use it, take a quick look at some AI videos I generated using this tool. Yes, all created for free. If you're excited already, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Now let's get started. Part 1, how to access the tool. Download the Microsoft Bing Search app, iOS or Android. Sign in with a Microsoft account. You'll earn free Microsoft Rewards points just by using the app. Part 2, Bing AI Image Generator. First, check out the image generator. Go here and click on Image Creator. It uses DALL-E 3, the same tech used in ChatGPT. Just type a prompt and tap Create. It costs 15 reward points. See the results. Part 3, Bing AI Video Generator. Now for the fun part. Just go back and click the Video Generator tab. This tool creates vertical 5-second AI videos, similar to Sora's style. Type your video idea in the prompt box. Not sure what to write? Ask ChatGPT to generate an idea. It understands Sora-style prompts really well. Tap Create and your video will start generating. You get 10 free fast videos and more by earning reward points. Want more video generations? Complete simple tasks like using Microsoft Edge, searching with Bing, or taking daily quizzes. Easy points. Part 4, Final Showcase. These are just a few videos made with this free tool. Impressive for a mobile app, right? Thanks for watching. For more AI tools like Sora, tutorials, and automation tips, make sure to subscribe and check out our playlist linked in the description. See you in the next one.